not sure what he's found. Dr. Heckles is only the guinea pig, cause they all think he's mad. Sets his sights on the search of a lifetime, and he's never, never sad.